Opendoor Technologies Incorporated, Open, Technical Analysis General Overview and Trend. The stock has shown significant volatility over the last 3 months, starting at 0.6867 and closing at 4.54, representing a remarkable increase of approximately 561%. The highest point reached was 5.87 on August 25, while the lowest was 0.5111 on June 25. The stock experienced a dramatic surge in mid-July, peaking at 4.97 on July 21, followed by a sharp correction before recovering strongly in August. The overall trend is strongly bullish in the medium term, though short-term volatility remains high. Price and volume patterns reveal significant interest during major price movements. Notable volume spikes occurred on July 10, 111.548.543, July 15, 142.113.237, July 21, 1.895.249.558, and August 25, 764.560.875. The extraordinary volume on July 21 coincided with the price surge to 4.97, indicating strong buying pressure. Recent trading volumes remain elevated compared to the beginning of the period, suggesting sustained investor interest in the stock. Moving averages: the short-term 5-day SMA stands at 3,998 while the EMA is at 412.41, both below the current price, indicating short-term strength. The medium-term 20-day SMA is at 2,796 with the EMA at 30507. Long-term 50-day SMA is at 180.93 with the EMA at 219.03. The price is trading above all key moving averages, with the shorter averages positioned above the longer ones, confirming a strong upward trend. The significant gap between the current price and longer-term averages highlights the extent of the recent rally. Technical indicators: momentum indicators show the MACD at 0.6787 with a signal line at 0.4996 and histogram at 0.1791, indicating bullish momentum. The RSI is at 68,934, approaching overbought territory but still showing strength. Williams R is at -31.8945, while money flow index is at 90.2753, suggesting strong buying pressure. Stochastic oscillator shows K at 77.7069 and D at 80.8848, indicating overbought conditions. CCI is at 195.4217, well into positive territory. ADX at 49.2505 signals a strong trend. Bollinger bands show the upper band at 459.51, middle band at 2,796, and lower band at 0.9969, with the price trading near the upper band. Linear regression over the last 20 trading days. The linear regression slope is strongly positive, indicating a consistent upward trajectory. During this period, the price fluctuated between 185 and 587, with the regression line around 350. The current price is significantly above this regression line, suggesting the recent rally has been particularly strong and potentially overextended in the short term. Opening forecast for next trading day: given the strong technical indicators and the current momentum, the stock is likely to open between 450 and 460. The Arun indicator shows an up value of 100 and down value of 52, supporting continued upward movement. However, the overbought conditions in some oscillators might lead to some initial weakness before establishing direction. Support and resistance analysis: the current price is 454. Immediate resistance is at 459.51, Bollinger upper band, and 587, recent high. The distance to these levels is 12% and 29.3% respectively. Key support levels are at 3,998, 5-day SMA, and 3,487, 10-day SMA, with distances of 11.9% and 23.2%. Given the significant distance to the nearest support, intraday movements may include a test of the 430 level before attempting to challenge resistance. The price is currently closer to resistance than support, suggesting potential for consolidation or minor pullback. Intraday ATR14 value and potential high-low values. The ATR14 value is 0.6216, indicating high volatility. This suggests a potential intraday range between 391.84, 454, 0.6216, and 5.1616, 454 plus 0.6216. However, given the strong upward trend and overbought conditions, a more realistic range might be 420 to 490, with the upper end requiring renewed buying momentum. Possible scenarios: in a bullish scenario, a break above 459.51 could trigger a move toward 500, with potential to challenge the recent high at 587 if volume supports the move. A bearish scenario might see a pullback to the 3,998 support level, especially if overbought conditions trigger profit-taking. A consolidation scenario is also possible, with the price trading between 420 and 460 as the market digests recent gains. The strong trend suggests that any pullbacks might be short-lived before resuming the upward trajectory. Conclusion: Opendoor stock is in a powerful uptrend with strong momentum indicators supporting further gains. However, overbought conditions and the significant distance from key support levels suggest the possibility of a short-term pullback or consolidation. The risk-reward ratio favors long positions with tight stops below key support levels. Traders should watch for a sustained break above 460 for confirmation of continued upside, while a close below 3,998 would signal potential trend weakness. Given the strong fundamentals implied by the price action, any dips could present buying opportunities for longer-term investors.